How to use Sprout Socials. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about Sprout Socials and how you can use it. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So for those of you who don't know what Sprout Social is, Sprout Social is a all-in-one social media management tool that helps you manage all of your social media in one place. So for example, if you have multiple social media accounts like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, then posting all of them one by one can be a very tedious task. So what this will allow you to do is it will allow you to connect all of your social media accounts in one place, and then you can post the exact same post in just a couple of minutes, and then all of your social media accounts will have that post ready to go. So let's jump into it. So over here, as you can see, you just simply click on start your free trial over here, and they give you these three plans in front of you. So you have the standard plan, the professional, and the advanced, and they're all pretty cool. You can go ahead and use whichever one you want. So the standard one starts at $89 per user monthly, or if it's annually, then you can go ahead and switch it over to annually. And for the professional one, it's $150 per user, and for the advanced one, it's $250 per user. So each will have different pros and cons. Over here, the standard one includes 5 social media profiles, all in one social media box, publishing, scheduling, and all of that. And then over here for the professional one, it gives you 10 social media accounts, everything in standard, plus over here competitive reporting on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, incoming and outgoing messages, content, and all of that, and everything over here. So no credit card is required. Just simply click on this button and you are good to go. So let's click over here and start our free trial. Just enter in your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, and simply click on create an account. And once you do that, you are good to go. Now you just simply have to connect your profiles over here, such as your Twitter profile or your Facebook profile, and you will be able to connect Instagram and LinkedIn and Pinterest later on. So let's go ahead and connect our Twitter profile over here. So just simply authorize the application and you are good to go. Now, as you can see, it's redirecting you back to your Sprout Social account, and boom, you are now connected. Then you can go ahead and connect all of your other accounts as well. So let me just go ahead and connect my Instagram profile as well. Simply click on continue, authorize over here. It's going to take us over here where we just simply have to log in into our Facebook account, log in over here. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and set up your organization, how many people you have over here, and are you a social media agency, where do you live, and all of that. And once you're done that, you are good to go. All right, so once you have set up, this is going to be your dashboard over here. You will get all of your posts and schedulings over here, all of the reports and everything. So all of this is going to be over here. So you have your performance overview, inbox activity, brand sentiment, connect more profiles over there. Over here on the left side, you have your smart box, you have your tasks, feeds, publishing, listening, reports, and peoples, and all of that, right? So having said that, let's go ahead and connect a little bit more profiles. So let's go ahead and connect our Pinterest account as well. So go to Pinterest. Let me just go ahead and log in. All right, it's signing in. Boom, there we go. Give access to Sprout, and boom, there we go. So we are now connected. Let's go ahead and connect another profile. We have our Twitter over already. You don't want to have a LinkedIn over here. You can also connect Yelp and Glassdoor and Google My Business, YouTube. Let's go, and yeah, I think we're good to go. So now once you have connected your profiles, what you can now do is you will be able to go ahead and start publishing on your profile as well. So if you come over here on the left side, you click on publishing. Over here you will be able to publish all of your posts. So right now, as you can see, we have our calendar over here, drafts, find content, and all of that. So let's go ahead and click on compose a post over here for this profile. Over here, you can choose which profile you want. If you want on Pinterest as well, you can connect other profiles as well. So now for now, we're simply gonna stick with Twitter and Pinterest. Over here, you can write whichever post you want. You can add in your media, your emoji, and your location as well. So let's go ahead and upload an image over here. So I selected this image right here. I thought business was booming. Cryptocurrency is going down right now, so I'm not really a fan of that. So over here you can write a caption as well, or you can add in your pin as well. So for now, I'm just simply gonna write thought it was booming. Then I'm gonna write, I can add like emojis as well, and I'll add that emoji. Why can't I add it? Here we go. Oops, it looks like I added a bunch of different emojis as well. So I think I'll remove this one. Yeah, I think that looks nice. Then you can add in your pin title as well for Pinterest. So same thing, we can copy this one over here, and paste it over here in Pinterest, and we can choose a board which we want. So over here we have a couple of boards that we already have created. Then you can add a set URL over here, like a destination URL if you already have one for this image, but if you don't have one, you can leave it blank. And then you can schedule this post. So you can schedule it for either immediately or auto schedule it, or schedule it for your own custom sign. So you can add in your date over here. So let's say I want to schedule it in like a couple of minutes, so we'll go with 39 minutes, and then we'll just simply, all right, so I also need to like a URL as well. So I don't have one. Does that work? Nope, it does not. So I just add in the link to my Twitter account over here. Once that's done, just simply click on schedule. And now as soon as it's 38, in a couple of minutes, this post will be posted automatically. So it's pretty simple. It's really easy. So that's how you do it. That's how you schedule posts over here. Then you can schedule more posts as well. Like over here, you have all of your calendar ready. And once you've done that, you are good to go. So that's pretty much how you do it. That's how you use, Sprout. And then over here on the left side, you also have this listening option over here. So what does listening mean? Over here, you will be able to see like what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong. Like you can listen to other topics, like you can find different topics, listen to your audience and see what you're doing good and doing right, like basically giving you a social media, like a database, you could say. So pretty simple. Over here you can find like health, industries, insights, analytics, and all of that. So it's pretty simple. It's really cool. So pretty much that's it. That's how you do it. Now, as I said before, it's not completely free. You will, however, need to buy the subscription, but for now you can use it for 30 days as a free trial. And if you like it, you can go ahead and create an account and start using it professionally. But if you don't like it, you can find some others as well. So but I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it because it's really simple, it's really easy, has an overall a cool looking UI that I really like. Sometimes social media platforms that manage social media accounts, they don't look really cool, but this looks really cool as well. Now we also have integrations with Bitly as well. So if you wanted to connect, add like a Bitly link and earn a little bit of cash from the side, then you can also do that as well. So pretty much that's it. That's how you use Sprout social media. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification, as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online, or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.